Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert PDF to Excel online. So let's start. This is my PDF and you can see in this PDF have a purchase data with the 4 pages. When I drag here you can see the all data is purchase. Okay, so this data I'm going to convert to Excel online. So open your Google Chrome. So I open here Chrome browser. Okay, and search here the small PDF and just enter, and here the small PDF is open. You can use here the free trial. Okay, and then click on the convert option, then click on the PDF to Excel and select the file of PDF those you want to convert to Excel online. Just select the purchase data and click on open. Wait for the uploading and it's converting to Excel now, and that's it, it's done. Just click on the download option and here your file is ready. Just double click on the folder and just double click on the file to open this Excel file. Wait for the few seconds and that's it. Click on the enable editing and you can easily edit this file also. You can see the all data is here convert. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.